friends, this is Professor Amit Nerurkar. I welcome all TY BSc IT students on behalf of Vidyalangar. Friends, I know you have completed your first 2 years of BSc IT and right now you're entering in the one of the most crucial part of your life, that is you're entering in a final year TY BSc IT. Now why suddenly TY BSc IT have become so much crucial? Was not first year and second year BSc IT that much important? Friends, that was important. But right now, as you know, first 2 years of your BSc IT, the papers were set by the college, the papers were corrected by the college, but right now, it would be by your university. And you don't have a single percent of scope to leave any topic for option. So after BSc IT, when you have to go maybe for doing your post-graduation in India, maybe in abroad, or maybe for a job, there is a necessity of only one thing, is scoring a very good score, a high score in your final year BSc IT. We in Vidyalangar, which has become the brand for Education Institute, we have a success ratio of creating the good result, no, I would say the best result from each and every student. Vidyalangar has become a medium to help each and every student to climb the success of ladder. So, as you know, in semester 5, you have subjects like ASP.NET with C#, Internet Technologies, Linux Administration, Network Security, Software Testing, all these subjects. If you see the curriculum of engineering, not a single computer engineer or IT engineer are studying these subjects. These subjects are introduced in your curriculum because they are very much important and are very core critical subjects which are required from industry point of view. Even in semester 6, you have very good subjects like data warehouse, internet technologies, project management, 3 elective. So, as I've already told you, you don't have a single scope to leave any damn topic for option. Now, why really BSc IT final year is so much important? BSc IT final year, you have subjects, core programming subjects in semester 5, ASP.NET with C#. What is required for ASP.NET in C#? Subject of prerequisite may be like Java, Advanced Java. The name says Advanced Java, so it is being understood that you need to know technically each and every part of core Java that you have already studied in your lower semester. Linux administration and open source technology, which is a booming technology right now. You require prerequisite maybe operating system and networks, which you have already studied. Network security, again prerequisite, network, software testing, again prerequisite, software engineering. So all these subjects require a brief background of all previous subjects that you have studied. And we have so qualified faculty who would be teaching you in your final year BSc IT. All the faculties taking these subjects are not only BE engineers, they are masters in engineering, and some of them have even going further to pursue their PhD. So all these subjects which we would be covering, we would be not be only focusing on covering your theory topics, but at the same time we would be also giving you entire hand-on practicals for various topics that we would be learning in the subject. Right now, as you see, with Vidyalangar, we would be giving you exhaustive classroom teaching with well-qualified faculties. We would be providing you notes, exam questions, question bank known as graded questions. We would be giving you practical handbook where we would be conducting practical in the class, and so when you go home, you can simply execute those practical with the help of practical handbook. After completion of every module, after unit, we would be having a unit-wise test only just to note about your progress and just to make you understand how important the topic is. so that at the end of the exam, at the end of the semester, you would really feel at very ease to entirely deal with the subject. We would be conducting preliminary exam, we would be conducting paper discussion, we would be also providing you EQ solution for all past university question, and not only that, we would be giving you last minute assistance from every faculty for clearing all your doubts. So, visit our nearest branch. For detailed information, you can also log on to our website www.vidyalanga.org. Joining vacation batch is very much advantage because your subject would be in your mind, in your brain before the college starts. So maybe when you enter the college, you know what all subjects you have to prepare. So when the regular college starts, you know the in and out of the subjects, which would really help you, because in that phase of time you would be revising the subject. So when exam comes, it would be very much helpful for you to score very good marks in BSCIT. Now, always remember, your success doesn't only depend on result. It do, but if you need to produce a result, you need to put a lot of efforts. So always remember, friends, being the best is not so important, but doing the best thing, that really matters. And we in Vidyalankar are very much precise to do the best thing so that you get the best thing from whatever topic you study. So, this is Professor Amit Nerurkar signing off. Visit the nearest branch of Vidyalankar, visit our website, do download our V application from Play Store. Thank you. Bye-bye.